So what's up, YouTube? It's your girl Danny Dior, and I'm back with more.
What you gonna do with them? What you gonna do with me? Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah, yeah. Pop off, yeah, yeah. Rockin' Louis V clothes, I got ice cream stone.
I just want to say, first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you, and if you're new, welcome. But stop what you're doing and subscribe. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be attempting, well, not really attempting because I've done them before, but I'm going to be doing individual eyelash extensions on my eyelashes. Usually, if you know me, I'm quick to throw on some strips or whatever, but I got real tired of putting them on every day or whenever I do put them on. So at least with eyelash extensions, you can wash your face, you can do what you gotta do without removing the lashes, and they should last up to 2 weeks. I know sometimes mine last 2 weeks, other times I take them off like a week because they start falling out. But yeah, the lashes that I'm using today is this Kiss INV lashes. They're not really individual like hair strand by hair strand, they're more so clumps. They say individual, but it's not really individual. So yeah, these are medium. I didn't want them long, but I didn't want them short. I wanted something that's like, you know, not out there. So yeah, I'm going to use one pack. I don't even know if I'm using a whole pack because I don't want, what's the name, EYELASH. But yeah, this is not really a tutorial. I'm just showing y'all how I do it. And yeah, how long it takes me. So it's basically just a watch me work. But yeah, if you guys learned something from this, let me know in the comments down below. But without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, so I didn't mention this in the last video, but before you start, you're gonna make sure that your eyelashes are clean. And by clean, I mean like free of oils, any dirt or anything. Mine, they not even all the way there because I put some makeup on the other day, and for some reason the rest of this don't want to come off. But yeah, you want to make sure, most importantly, you don't have any glue or oils, because oils definitely don't make it not stick. All you're gonna need for this style is your lashes, of course. We'll focus. Some tweezers to put it on with. Okay, so you can use this glue. I don't know if I want to do this glue because I know this will make your lashes stay on forever if they could. If you want something that can easily be removed in no time, like if you want to work them off, use hair glue. But if you want something that's gonna stay, use actual eyelash glue. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First lash right there, I don't know if you can see it, it's like right there where that black clump is. Usually when I do my lashes, I do them both at the same time, and I mean like both eyes, only so I can get like a visual of where I want both of them to be. But like as far as placement, I always start in the middle and work my way out and then work my way back in. I can't even see. Oh yeah, also, I don't know if I said this before I started, but make sure your eyelashes are brushed out. So, you know, it can have that full look. Because if all your regular, like your natural eyelashes are clumped together, when you try to put these on, they're not going to look natural. So, okay. Make sure that you brush them boys out. Yes, sir. Y'all don't want that much glue because then it might irritate your eyes, and on top of that, it's gonna be hard to stay put. I wish my eyelashes weren't so curly. They're making it hard to put these on. I'm sorry, but can y'all see? I feel like I need to be in front of me. can also put these under your lashes, but see me, I don't trust myself. I ain't even hold y'all, I do not trust myself. Like somebody else, but nah. But yeah, like you legit just wake up and go, and they last. Well, using this glue, they last. So it's just like, who finna pay $100 for some lash extensions, baby? You just got 5. Do this at home. Hold on, cause can't get these all clumped up. The first time I did these was in 9th grade, y'all, and I thought I was the baddest thing walking. But then also, it was my first time doing it, and I didn't know how to remove the lashes correctly. So I literally had like a clump of eyelashes sitting on my eyes for like a month. And I ended up having to cut them out because I legit didn't know how. I legit didn't know how to remove them. I was looking crazy. Look, it's already giving it a lash extension look. I ain't even finished. Okay, so right now, I'm not done, of course. Look how many I have left. So, like I said, I'm not gonna put all these on because that's ghetto. But right now, I'm just going in and filling in all the spaces. And then later, I'm gonna work on like volume. Oh, the game in trouble. Sign out mine and pay me up. Yeah, you can drip check, baby, like this. She had a nurse say she ain't like her, but she know she my brother. Bitch, I ain't gonna let no suck. Yeah. I done ran up a whole lot. Okay. So now I'm gonna start working in on my inner corners just so they don't look like, you know, choppy. Press that bit down. Oh, the game in trouble. Start off mine and pay me dope. Yeah, you drip check, baby, like must. Oh, you better not touch her. Rotate on me, hold on, sure. And she ain't got her aim at dope. She ain't got a nurse say she ain't like her. She don't know, I know she my brother. I ain't gonna let no suck. Yeah. Yeah, I'm starting to like it. I'm addicted to him. Y'all got that? I'm looking at y'all like, y'all got that? Y'all seen that? Okay, so this is how they look so far. I've used the first top 2 rows, not even that because I messed up with some of these lashes. But yeah, I don't know if I want to keep going or not. I know I love me some big lashes, but then these look so like natural, and I'm gonna keep going. So I'm gonna finish this up off camera so I can see what I'm doing, and I'll get back to y'all. Okay, so I don't like how I placed these lashes right here. So to remove them, I'm taking some oil on this Q-tip. You can't even see it, but I'm just gonna, where is it? Rub it. Vaseline works best, but for some reason, oh look, I don't have any next to me, so just go ahead and rub that bit off. Yep, you don't have to rip your eyelashes out, y'all. Just take some oil and rub on that bit, because if not, you will rip your eyelashes out. And that's all there is to it. So not to go back over it, probably gonna have to like try it with something, or else the glue won't stay. Okay, so what's up, y'all? This is the finished look. Overall, I like them. These are them up close. Me personally, now that I finished, I'm like, probably should have got some longer ones, but these do look natural, so I ain't really complaining too much. But overall, this style probably took me about like 40 minutes, 45 minutes. It usually doesn't take me that long, but I was trying to record and everything and setting the camera up, so yeah. But if you guys want to save some money and be a baddie on a budget, I hope this video will help you out. Where is it? $4. Stop playing with a kid. Yeah, this should last for about 2 to 3 weeks. Unless you want to take them off early, just take some oil or Vaseline and rub them on your lashes. But other than that, that's it. That's all there is to it. So if you guys want some more DIYs, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back. Bye, DIORDYNASTY.